Okay, good afternoon, students. Good afternoon once again. Let us start the class. Hello, is it audible to you? Or you wait 2 minutes or 3 minutes? Okay. So in this previous class, we discussed BPSK, binary phase shift keying. So once again, recollect the concepts in this moderating end. There is a balanced moderator which gives B of t signal as input, that is the binary data, and cos omega ct is the carrier. It has the magnitude A is equal to root 2 PS. Those two signals are given to balanced modulator. The balanced modulator output is B of t root 2 PS cos omega ct. When the output is given to channel input, channel output is taken. Now the channel output is B of t root 2 PS cos omega naught t plus theta. B of t root 2 PS cos omega naught t plus theta. This theta is added as a delay of the channel. Now the signal is given to receiver. The receiver has the two parts. One of the part is recovered carrier part. Another part is synchronous detector part. So in this part, recover carrier part, square law device, squaring of frequency term, that is cos square omega naught t plus theta, and band pass filter, the filter of 2 omega naught t signal, then you can got cos 2 omega naught t plus theta. Now given to frequency divided by 2 network, the divided by 2 is frequency, then cos omega naught t plus theta is recovered carrier. Cos omega naught t plus theta is recovered carrier. That given to synchronous detector. Once the synchronous detector, another input is root 2 PS B of t cos omega naught t plus theta. Now the synchronous detector acts as a multiplier. That multiplies B of t root 2 PS cos the square omega naught t plus theta. B of t root 2 PS cos square omega naught t plus theta. So that signal is B of t root 2 PS cos square omega naught t signal is given to integrate and dump circuit via bit synchronization. Integrate and dump circuit via bit synchronization. Part is given to integrate and dump circuit. Integrate and dump circuit. Here In this integrate and dump circuit, there is an equation. There is an equation. Yes, yes. See that. So then the output of synchronous detector is given to integrate and dump circuit through bit synchronizer. There operate two switches. One is SC switch for bit synchronization and other is SS switch for output. Therefore, the output is V0 K T of B, where K is the kth level in integer value, T of B is the time duration of the bit. So that is given to B of KTB root to PS integrate K minus 1 TRB to KTRB. Integrate. So this is the integration part, integrate and dump part. So 1 by 2 D of T plus B KT of T root to PS integrate K minus 1 TRB to KTRB 1 by 2 cos 2 omega naught T plus theta. After B of T root to PS, cos square omega naught T is splitting up that by using that equation, mathematical identity, cos square theta. Then you can get the integral. After integration takes place, so this is B of K TRB root PS by 2 TRB. So this is a output of the BPSK receiver. Then the output of BPSK receiver is receive B of T signal, but the magnitude is root to PS by 2. Okay, by using TRB. TRB is the bit duration. Okay, students. Now we turn concept into spectrum of BPSK. Spectrum of BPSK. BPSK is the spectrum where the spectral components are. So the waveform of B of T is NRZ. Waveform of B of T is NRZ binary waveform, non-return to zero binary waveform. It has power spectral density between plus root to PS2 minus root to PS. The power spectral density between plus or minus root to PS. Now this is Gaussian distribution curve, Gaussian distribution power. G of B in the power spectral density is called PS T of B. Sinc function it is sin pi of T by pi of T whole square. This is a sinc function. Then the power spectral density of BPSK signal is PS T of B2. So this is sinc pi F minus F naught. So this is the equation. This is the equation. So now, so this is the geometrical representation of the BPSK signal. It is the yes. So it is the geometrical representation of the BPSK signal. The geometrical representation. So there is in a waveform. This is the power spectral density of the signal. Power spectral density of the signal having FB 0 to FB to FB likewise. This is the sinc signal. So 0 to FB, 0 to minus FB. So then this is the spreading of this. Now the bandwidth of the BPSK signal is 2 into FB. So this is important. What is the bandwidth of BPSK? 2 into F of B. You know that like bandwidth of AM. What is bandwidth of AM? 2 FM. 2 FM. What is FM there? Highest modulating frequency. Here, same as the bandwidth of BPSK is 2 into FB. What is FB? FB is 1 by T of B. FB is bit frequency, that is 1 by T of B. Where T of B is the bit duration. So this is geometrical representation of the BPSK signal. Now you can go for another representation. It is nothing but vector representation. This is nothing but vector representation of the BPSK signal. Vector representation of the BPSK signals. So where the vectors are taking place, if suppose U1 of t is one of the signal, U1 of t is one of the signal, another signal is 180 degrees out of phase. Another signal is 180 degrees out of phase. U1 of t signal has a U1 of t signal has plus root 2 root Ps of t. This is V of b. Power of the signal into time of the bit. Power of the signal into time of the bit root is nothing but E of b. Now this is U of t signal. Another signal is appear at minus of that value. Minus of that value. That means 180 degrees out of phase. 180 degrees out of phase. So the one of the signal is one of the signal. Another signal is 180 degrees out of phase. They can occur. So what is the signal difference? 180 degrees one each other. 180 degrees one to each other. So that is S1, S2 are the two signals in the BPSK. BPSK means binary phase shift key. Binary phase shift keying, how many signals are there? Two signals. If one of the signal is S1, another signal is S2. So the S1 is one of the signal, S2 is 180 degrees out of that signal. Likewise, this is the 180 degrees out of phase. So now the distance between the two vectors, this is the vector representation. One vector, another vector has 180 degrees out of phase. Opposite of that. Two signals are opposite each other. That is the BPSK signal. So now the distance between the two vectors is d. Now the d is equal to 2 times of root PSTB. That is 2 times of root EB, where EB is the energy for bit is equal to power of the signal into time period of the bit. EB is the bit energy is equal to the signal into bit time is the energy contributed in bit duration. So it is the vector representation. So previous one is geometrical representation. Geometrical representation. So go for okay, students. This is the overview regarding BPSK. Overview regarding BPSK. Now the BPSK, there is some limitations. BPSK, there is some limitations. So let us see what are the limitations of the BPSK. BPSK, what are the limitations? So observe that where the input signal is V of t root to PS cos omega naught t plus theta. V of t root to PS cos omega naught t plus theta. So that is the signal. V of t root to PS cos omega naught t plus theta. Another signal is minus B of t root to PS cos omega naught t plus theta. Where B of t is the binary data has polarities of positive and negative, plus or minus. It is plus root to PS cos omega naught t minus root to PS cos omega naught t. Is it not? So that is given to a channel. Channel output is given to square law device first. That is recovery of the carrier. For recovery of the carrier given to square law device. So here it is. Please note down the limitation of BPSK. If minus root to PS cos omega naught t plus theta or plus root to PS cos omega naught t plus theta, either to the minus signal or the negative positive signal that given to square law device, what happens it is? What happens it is? That should be a positive signal. Output should be a positive signal because the negative or positive, the squaring is it should be a positive. So then the recovered carrier should be the same. Whether the given signal is positive or negative, the recovered carrier is the same. The recovered carrier is the same. The recovered carrier given to synchronous detector And the multiplied output also the same. And the multiplied output also the same, output of the receiver is the same. Now unable to detect a positive polarity or negative polarity with reference of carrier. With reference of the carrier, unable to identify positive polarity or negative polarity because of whether the signal positive or negative, square law device should be used a positive value. So that is the an ambiguity. That is the ambiguity in the BPSK. Is it not? Because of using the square law device, squaring of positive or negative value should be the positive. That's why recovered carriage is the same. If the recovered carriage is the same, unable to identify a polarity of positive or negative. If the polarity is unable to identify what happened logic 0, logic 1, that is the misinterpretation takes place. Misinterpretation takes place. That ambiguity there in the BPSK. That ambiguity there in the BPSK. So that is in this one. In BPSK, to generate the signal based on recovered carrier. If the given signal is B of t root 2 ps cos omega naught omega ct or minus B of t root 2 ps cos omega naught t, that is given to square law device, then the output remains the same. Output remains the same. That's why we are unable to determine whether the received signal is B of t or negative B of t. Are you identifying? Okay. That's why we are unable to determine whether the received signal B of t or negative B of t. Because of the square law device is the squaring of positive or negative is the same value. So then we eliminate the ambiguity by using or identify the ambiguity in the BPSK. That ambiguity is eliminated by DPSK, differential phase shift keying. So the differential phase shift keying is the one of the techniques to avoid the ambiguity in the BPSK. BPSK or DEPSK. DPSK differential phase shift keying. DEPSK is differential encoded phase shift keying. Differential encoded phase shift keying. So now let us see the DPSK. Let us see the DPSK. Students, the transmitting end of the BPSK is balanced modulator only. Is it not? The BPSK block diagram, modulating end is balanced modulator. Here it is, the differential phase shift keying also the balanced modulator is there. Balanced modulator is there. For the balanced modulator, input is given to B of t signal. Here the same as in the BPSK. BPSK. And another one input is balanced modulator is root 2 ps cos omega naught t. These two signals are the same. But B of t is not directly given as BPSK. B of t is not directly given as BPSK. That is differential signal is generated. Differential signal is generated. How it is differential signal generated? How this is D of t signal is given to XOR gate. D of t signal is given to XOR gate. So the output of XOR is 1 bit delay, 1 bit delay. Then the output is this B of t is output of XOR. So the 1 bit delay is B of t minus T of B. This is given to this one. Now again, the XOR operation takes place. After XOR operation, you can got the B of t signal. That B of t signal is given to balanced modulator input here. Not directly B of t there, as in the BPSK. What in the BPSK? The BPSK, B of t signal is directly given. Now it is directly given is D of t signal it is. D of t, the data is given. The data is given through XOR gate. XOR gate. XOR gate, another input is 1 bit delay of the output. That is given to XOR operation. So this network is very, very important in the differential phase shift key. Now the here B of t is not directly given data. This is D of t, the directly given data. B of t is XOR operation of the original given data by 1 bit delay. Okay. Now this signal is given to balance modulator. Another signal is a carrier signal, that is root 2 PS cos omega naught t. Root 2 PS cos omega naught t. The output is same as in the DPSK. B of t root 2 PS cos omega naught t, or B of t is plus or minus 1. Plus or minus 1. That's why plus or minus root 2 PS cos omega naught t output of the balance modulator. What the output of balance modulator given to channel? Okay, given to channel. Now it is, let us examine some important points in the differential data. Now the B of t is the differential data here. Please note that value. The earlier BPSK, B of t is original data. That is NRZ value given original data. But in the DPSK, B of t is differential data, not the original data. What the original data here? That is D of t. D of t is original data, B of t is differential data. According to differential data, phase shift taking place. According to differential data, phase shift taking place. Whereas in the BPSK, according to given data, phase shift takes place. The phase shift is same as 0 to 180 degrees. Here also the phase shift is 0 to 180 degrees. Okay. Now, let us see that some D of t is given data. If the D of t is 0, 0, 1, 1, let an example. D of t is 0, 0, 1, 1. 0 is negative value, let representation. 0 is negative 1 volts, 0 is negative 1 volts, 1 is positive 1 volt. Whereas B of t minus t is 0, 1, 0, 1. Like 0 is negative, 1 is positive. Likewise, if B of t is XOR of D of t and B of t minus t of b, is it not? B of t is XOR of D of t and B of t minus t of b. XOR of 0, 0, what is the value? 0, 0 is 0. 0, 1 is 1. 1, 0 is 1. 1, 1 is 0. So in the XOR operation, both the signals are the same, output is 0. Another signal is 1, the output is 1. If and only both the signals are zeros, or both the signals are the same, then the output is 0. Otherwise, output is 1. It is XOR property. XOR property is, if and all, both the signals are same, both the signals are the same, the output is 0. Or else, output is 1. Both the signals are, input of both the signals are XOR operation, XOR gate is the same, then the output is 0. Both the signals are the same means 0, 0, 1, 1. Okay, if it is 0, 1 or 1, 0, output is 1. So that is XOR operation. Now, so students, here there is an waveforms. Okay, so now there are waveforms. The waveforms, let us see, D of t signal is given. The D of t signal is 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. So D of t signal is 0, 0. This is the clock duration, T of B clock duration. First clock duration, second clock duration, third clock duration, fourth clock duration, up to 14 clock durations are taking place here. In this representation, there are 14 bit T of B's are there. Bit durations are there. In the bit durations, you can assign the bits. The bits are data. Given data is D of T. Given data is 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. If suppose initially the output of XOR gate is 0. That is given to B of t minus t be 0. Now, if it is 0, 0, 0. What is the value? 0. Okay. So if it is, this is the 1 bit delay. This is the 1 bit delay. If it is 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. Okay. Likewise, there is in waveform. Let us see the output of B of t here. Let us assume B of t minus tb is initially 0. Let us assume output of 1 bit delay is 0. Let know that if it is 0, if it is assumed the previous bit is 0, 0, 0, what is an output value? 0, 0, 0, again 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. Please see that D of t the signal 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. So now initially B of t minus tb is 0. Let an example. Let us assume initial bit is 0. Now it is 0. Initial bit is 0. The D of t is 0. Initial bit is 0. D of t is 0. What is the resultant? 0, 0, 0. Now the 0 is the first time clock. One time clock is 0. One time clock is 0. Now the reference of one time clock is 0. So the 0 and second time clock is 0. 0 and 0. Again the 0. Okay. Now 1 bit delay. What I am examining means second duration bit and third initial bit. Second duration bit and third initial bit. Resultant is the third one. Again, third delayed bit and fourth initial bit. The resultant is fourth one. Likewise, let us start with the first one. Let us assume 0 is the delayed bit. 0 is the delayed bit. What is in input? 1, 0. So delayed bit is 0. Input 1 is 0. 0, 0, 0. 0, 0, 0. 0, 1, 0. 1, 0. 1. This is 0. This is 1. 0, 1. 1. 0, 1. 1. 1, 1. 0. 1, 0. 1. 0, 1. 1. 0, 1. 1. 1. 1. 0. 1. 0. 1. 1. 1. 0. 1. 0. 1. 0, 1. 1. So this is the waveform. Please practice the waveforms. Now, the modulator output depends on difference of data. The modulator output depends on difference of the data. In previous DPS, what happens? The modulator output depends on same given data, but in this DPSK, the modulator output depends on difference of data. Difference of the data. What is the difference of the data? When D of t is equal to 0, the phase of the carrier does not change. When D of t is equal to 1, there is a phase change of magnitude by 180 degrees. If data is equal to 0, there is no phase change. There is no phase change. Data is equal to 1, there is a phase change. Data is equal to 1, there is a phase change. Okay. So the output is V of Bpsk of t is equal to V of t root 2 ps cos omega naught t. Okay, or plus or minus root 2 ps cos omega naught t. So now we observed in the waveform the response of V of t and D of t. Simply can observe D of t and V of t. Eliminate the middle one. Eliminate the middle one. So this observation is an important because of this observation gives the concept of DPSK. Observe that D of t and V of t. So this B of t and D of t, B of t changes level, B of t, this is B of t. The last one is the B of t. B of t changes level at the beginning of the each interval. So once again, it B of t changes level at beginning of each interval in which D of t is equal to 0. In which D of t is equal to 0. So B of t changes its level when D of t is equal to 1. The D of t is equal to 1, B of t changes its level. Beginning of the each interval. Beginning of the each interval. At beginning of the each interval, B of t changes its phase when D of t is equal to 1. Make note that point. B of t changes its level. B of t changes its level at the beginning of the bit interval. Beginning of the bit interval in which D of t is equal to 1. In which D of t is equal to 1. Okay. B of t does not change level. B of t does not change its phase level when D of t is equal to 0. When B of t changes its phase only when D of t is equal to 1. The D of t is equal to 1, B of t changes its phase. The D of t is equal to 0, B of t doesn't change. So all at beginning of the bit interval. Beginning of the bit interval. Let us examine this waveform. When the B of t is equal to 0. B of t is equal to 0. B of t is equal to 0. What happened? B of t doesn't change its phase. So again the B of t is equal to 0. D of t is equal to 0. What B of t? No change. If the D of t is equal to 1, what is the phase change is there? The phase change is, this is the phase change. Okay. The phase change means the change of low level to high level. Low level to high level. The change of low level to high level. Okay. If suppose 0 is there, fourth interval, 0 is there, phase doesn't change. If again fifth interval 0 is there, phase doesn't change. That doesn't change means change in the third one, high, that is continue to same because of D of t is equal to 0. So now D of t is equal to 0, there is no phase change. The same is continued. When the D of t is equal to 1, what happens? Phase change. Phase change means if it is previous one is high, now go for low. Previous one is high, go for low. When the D of t is equal to 1. When the D of t is equal to 1 again, the previous phase change again, that low to high. When the D of t is equal to 0, no phase change. D of t is equal to 0, no phase change. D of t is equal to 1, the phase change occurs. Phase change means the previous state is high, now this go for low. When the D of t is equal to 1, again the phase change. The D of t is equal to 1, again the phase change. D of t is equal to 1, again the phase change. D of t is equal to 0, no phase change. That is the concept. So please remember that B of t change its phase, B of t change its phase when D of t is equal to 1. When D of t is equal to 1, B of t change its phase. The phase change means if it is 0, If it is 0, that converted to high. If it is 1, that converted to low. Likewise, the phase change 0 to 1 or 1 to 0. If V of t doesn't change its phase, V of t doesn't change its phase when d of t is equal to 0. So this statement is very, very important. Okay, now go for DPSK demodulator. DPSK demodulator. In a DPSK demodulator, so V of t signal is given root 2 PS cos omega naught t plus theta, and so the synchronous detector or multiplier, same as in the BPSK block diagram. So always you can refer with the BPSK block diagram. In the BPSK block diagram, modulation part with balance modulator, differential data is given by XOR operation and one bit delay. Now it is demodulation of what you are doing. Synchronous detector input is V of t root 2 PS cos omega naught t. There is no square law device. There is no square law device in the receiving part of the DPSK demodulator. Okay, synchronous detector input is V of t root 2 PS cos omega naught t plus theta. Another one is 1 bit delay is taking place. 1 bit delay. 1 bit delay is taking place. That is B of t minus t of b, where t there is t minus t of b there. Because 1 bit delay. B of t minus t of b root 2 PS cos omega naught t minus t of b plus theta. T minus t of b plus theta. These two signals are given to synchronous demodulator or multiplier. For the multiplier, two signals are there. One of the signal is B of t root 2 PS cos omega naught t plus theta. Another one is B of t minus t of b because t is delayed by the t of b bit duration. Because that's why in place of t, simply t minus t of b be placed. B of t minus t of b root 2 PS cos omega naught t minus t of b into plus theta. That is given to synchronous detector. Output is given to integrated dump circuit, whereas integrated and dump circuit is same in the BPSK block diagram. Integrated dump circuit and bit synchronization. Bit synchronization. So this is BPSK demodulator. BPSK demodulator. In this BPSK demodulator, the multiplier output is our synchronous detector output is B of t, both signals are, two signals are multiplied. B of t minus t of b, root 2 PS and root 2 PS. That is 2 PS. Root is cancelled. 2 PS. Cos omega naught t plus theta, cos omega naught t minus t of b plus theta. That is given to B of t minus t of b, PS cos omega naught t of b plus cos 2 omega naught t minus t of b by 2 plus 2 omega naught. 2 theta. 2 theta. This is the multiplier output of DPSK. Multiplier output of DPSK. Okay. Okay. Students, there is a multiplier at receiving end. That is the synchronous detector. Okay. So that multiplier output or synchronous detector output is given to gate and dump circuit via bit synchronization. Okay. So simply in the DPSK, differential data is given to balance modulator. Output of DPSK is again synchronous detector output. Okay. Now it is the phase differences occurs. The phase difference is 0 to 180 degrees or 180 degrees to 0. The phase difference occurs based on the B of t signal. Now it is B of t signal is differential data, not the original data. Differential data. What is the differential data? Differential data is D of t. Differential data is D of t. Now, so there is some limitations of DPSK. There is some limitations of DPSK. The limitations are the disadvantages of DPSK is comparison with BPSK. Okay, let us visualize the determinant is the BPSK, DPSK, comparison BPSK. Consider that during some bit interval, the received signal is so contaminated by noise. If suppose one bit is, the received signal is contaminated by noise, where the transmitted bit was 1 or 0 in DPSK, determine is made on the basis of signal received in two successive bit intervals. And so noise in 1 bit interval may causes error in 2 bit determines. The error rate in DPSK is therefore greater than BPSK. Now the error rate in DPSK is greater than BPSK. As a matter of fact, there is a tendency for bit error to occur in 2 bits or pair. So what happens in this limitation of the DPSK is, if suppose the DPSK output is depends on 1 bit delay. That means output is depends on two successive bits, first bit and second bit and third bit. The resultant is first bit and second bit depends on third and second is depends on fourth, likewise. Okay, that means output is depends on 2 bits. Output depends on one bit is given to XR, another bit is 1 bit delay of another XR. There are 2 bits. 2 bits duration difference occurs. Now that 2 successive bits are affected here. The output depends on 2 successive bits. If suppose one of the bit is affected by the noise in the channel, then how many bits are affected? 2 bits are affected, because of 2 successive bits are reason to give the output. That's why if any one of the bit is affected by the noise, 2 bits are contaminated. That is the major limitation of DPSK. Okay. Now the DPSK approach. One more type in DPSK is DEPSK. That is differential encoded PSK. The differential encoded PSK, what happens means in DPSK demodulator, modulator is the same. So encoding point added here, DEPSK, differential encoded PSK. Encoded PSK means the process of adding encoding process. What is the encoding process there? That is the encoding process of XOR operation there. For the XOR operation, DPSK demodulator requires a device which operates at the carrier frequency and provide a delay of TRB. So delay of TRB gives the output signal. Differential encoded PSK eliminates the need for such a piece of hardware in the system. Synchronous demodulator recovers the signal B of t and the decoding of B of t to generate D of t is done at baseband. Now B of t signal is given to XOR gate. Another one is B of t is given to with time period of TRB. B of t minus TRB is given to XOR operation. Now the XOR operation, one of the bit is B of t, another bit is B of t minus TRB. Output D of t is equal to B of t XOR with B of t minus TRB. Okay. So simply the piece of hardware to simplify the circuitry by using XOR operation, the encoding process takes place. That is differential encoding, differential encoding PSK, differential encoding PSK, differential encoding PSK. That encoding part plays an important role at decoding side of the signal. That V of t is equal to V of t XOR operation of V of t minus t of t. Okay. Now, so there is a you observe that one of the limitation of DPSK is or DEPSK is DPSK or DEPSK both. That limitation is if one bit is affected by an error, the two subsequent bits are affects. Two subsequent bits are affected. At an example, in this, B of k is equal to, let's take an example. B of k is equal to 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay? 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. It is the statistical data taken. B of k. B of k means 1 is what happens? 1 bit is delay. It is 0, 1 after 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. This is simply 1 bit is delay. 1 bit is delay. This is the data. This is the data. B of k is there. B of k minus 1 is there. This is B of k minus 1 is 1 bit is delay. So this is delayed version. So first place is occurred at second is third is 4 is 5 is 6 is 7 is 8 is 9 likewise. So this is the delay. So this is now B of k minus 1. Now XOR of these two, that is D of t. D of t is equal to B of k XOR of B of k minus 1. What is XOR? So here it is. 1 bit is leave it the 1 bit. Second bit onwards, delay takes place. 1 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 0. It is also leave. Single bits are leaving. Now output is XOR output is D of k is equal to 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 0. If suppose this B of k, one of the bit is an error. Error means 0 replace 1 or 1 replace 0. If suppose fourth bit in the B of k, earlier fourth bit in B of k is 0, that is affected by an error, there is converted to 1. Now the B of k is equal to 0 1 1 1 1 1 0 0. Because of 0 is replaced 1. 1 bit, one error, 1 bit is an error. Now this is 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 0. Again you can apply delay B of k minus 1 0 1 1 1 1 1 0 0. Then XOR operation apply here. D of k is equal to this one. Then 0 leave 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 0. So observe that two outputs D of k and D of k. Two outputs are observed. One of the output is 1 0 1 1 0 1 0. Another output is 1 0 0 0 0 1 0. So what are the error? These two bits 1 1 are replaced with 1 0 0. 1 1 are replaced with 1. Two errors are there. So this is the example of two bits are affected by noise. As converted as 0. Okay. So this is DPSK or DEPSK. So students, please go to the textbook and practice the block diagrams and mathematical equations. Whenever you feel difficulty, please call me or send a message. Okay. CR, please note down the attendance and please send. Okay. So tomorrow class go for QPSK. So today complete the DPSK, DEPSK, and BPSK also completed. Okay. So in the second unit, BPSK is completed, DPSK and DEPSK completed. Okay. Each concept have its own block diagram. Please go through the block diagram and practice it. Thank you. Thank you for listening to the class. Thank you.